This is how you play Big Hard Sun by Eddie Vedder. It's going to start with a D chord. Now what's happening there? There's a down, up, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. Da, 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 da. That's kind of like a beginning strumming pattern for this, but he's also doing a hammer-on the second fret of the G. So your opening chord is, and then you're hammering on the second fret of the G. So that's the intro to the song, and then he just uses 3 chords for the verse and 3 chords for the chorus. So let's do the verse. When I walk beside her, I am the better man. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again. I'll give you a little reverb. Once I built an ivory tower so I could worship from above. Climbed down to be set free. She took me in again. So what are those chords? That's just a D major, which is index finger on the second fret of the G, ring finger on the third fret of the B, middle finger on the second fret of the E. Then that's going to take you to the C9 chord. So when you move from D major to C add 9, all you have to do, you can keep your ring finger on the third fret of the B string. You're just moving these fingers to right there. Index finger is going to go on the second fret of the D. Middle finger is going to go on the third fret of the A. So you go from D. When I look beside her, I am the better man. C add 9, and then G. When I look to leave her, I always stagger back again. So you're moving from D to C add 9 to G, and all the while, this finger isn't moving at all. It's always staying on the third fret of the B string. And then back to D. When she comes to greet me, she is mercy at my feet. When I see her bitter charm, she just throws it back at me. So those are the chords for the verse. Now, let's move on to the chorus. Because it's 3 chords, and they're very similar, but there is a little bit of a nuance. The 3 chords that are used in the chorus are D major, A minor, G, and then back to D major again. So it sounds like this. There's a big, let me try that again. There's a big hard sun beating on the big people in a big hard world. So what is that? That is D major, which we just learned, but then A minor. That's going to be an index finger on the first fret of the B string. Middle finger goes right on top there on the second fret of the D string. Ring finger, second fret of the G string. So you get this one. There's a big D major, a big hard sun, A minor, beating on the big people, G major, in a big hard world. So that is how you play Big Hard Sun by Eddie Vedder. 2 sections, only really 4 chords, because D, C add 9, and then G, and then D, A minor, G. So there's actually only 3 chords in that song, because it's D, C add 9, G. No, that's a D, C add 9, G, and then there is an A minor. So there's only 4 chords in that song. Cool, moving right along.